511.
Esther's
yes,
here.
thank you.
So I'll show you with the strobe. Is everyone okay with strobe lights? Flashing lights?
Yeah,
So you put it back on 511 again. And basically when it's bouncing the best you think it is, that's brill. So leave it there, just let go. So if we take the ball out rather. And obviously, so the 511 hertz means the glass is actually moving 511 times a second. But can you see the glass moving?
No,
Not really, yeah, it's too fast for us basically. So this is where the strobe comes in. So if I just turn the lights off.
It's a bit
Do this. So a strobe light just flashes really fast, and if you shine on something that's moving, it'll make it appear to go faster and slower, or even stop. So the flash rate is matching the spin rate of the fan. So it's obviously still, so I won't put your fingers in it. But anyway, we'll shine it on the glass now. Now if you look at the rim of the glass, hopefully you can see it juddering a little bit. And if I fiddle with this, it's only a millimetre or two, but can you see that sort of juddering effect? So what do you think you would change to make it move a lot more?
It was going more this morning.
Yeah, let's see if they can work it out.
So,
what would you change? How would you make it move more? What would you change? Frequency. So we've done that already, but it's a good guess. So what do you turn up when you're speaking normally?
Volume.
Yeah, so the volume is where the green light is, down there. So if you grab that one. So basically the more volume, more power, more amplitude, same thing. And the louder it gets, you'll see what happens. And feel free to whack it all the way up to full blast if you want.
It is.
Is that full blast?
Yeah.
So hopefully
where'd you adjust from here? Is that
yeah,
one
it's just the right side one there again. So the other one.
Slide down.
Yeah, of course, isn't it?
There you go, yeah.
Just look at that.
That's it.
It's loud enough you could break the glass, could you?
Yeah, so we never know where it's going to go. It's genuinely
never
random.
managed that this week.
It's like, you know when you
broken.
bend a ruler, you never know when they're going to snap.
Okay.
But it's genuinely random. So we do break them.
They
Sometimes,
do, so they will break at that volume?
yeah. So sometimes they last 5 minutes, sometimes they last 5 days.
This one's lasted all week.
It's lasted all week so far, yeah. But it's genuinely is full power when the red light's on.
Yeah.
As you can see, there's a hole in the speaker from. But just to prove it's possible, feel free to turn off if it's doing your head in. But these are the ones done up at. I think players looking again. To prove it works. So yeah, there's the acoustics lab up at Salford University. Have kindly given us these videos if I can get them to work, which typically I can't now.